Welcome! In this video for Chapter 8, what we are going to look at is the substantive procedures auditors use to detect material misstatements in accounts payable. This builds on our understanding of inherent and control risks that we looked at in our last two videos. Substantive procedures are necessary when we can't rely fully on our controls, or when those controls don't cover key risks. These procedures provide direct audit evidence. The key assertions here are existence, completeness, and valuation. One of the most critical tests in the expenditure cycle is the search for unrecorded liabilities. In this test, what we do is examine payments made in January to see if they relate to goods or services received before year-end. If so, then they should have been recorded as an accounts payable in December. So again, we're looking for payments made in January to see if they related to things that happened in December, and then verifying that they are included in the accounts payable listing as of December 31st. Vouching transactions is another test that we can do. Vouching starts with what's in the books and then traces it backward to source documents. It confirms existence and helps detect overstatements or fictitious entries. You should expect to see a three-way match, which includes the invoice, the purchase order, and the receiving report. Reconciliations help to identify unrecorded or misapplied liabilities. Analytical procedures like trend or ratio analysis can highlight unexpected shifts in expenses, margins, or liabilities that warrant further investigation. Confirming accounts payable is less common than confirming accounts receivable like we saw in Chapter 7, but it's appropriate if vendor statements aren't available or when there's suspicion of fraud, estimation errors, or possibly even cutoff issues. In summary, your substantive procedures must be tailored to the level of risk within each client. Weak controls, we're going to test more. Strong controls, we might be able to test less, but we're still going to test. The goal is to address the key risk assertions through the right evidence. That's all, folks. See you next week.